ever heard of the mysterious bloop? In 1997, scientists recorded an ultra-low frequency sound in the Pacific Ocean, louder than a blue whale. Initially, it sparked wild theories of sea monsters. But here's the twist. It was just icebergs cracking and shifting. This phenomenon, known as icequake, is a natural occurrence when massive icebergs break apart. It's a reminder of how nature's sounds can be both awe-inspiring and deceptive. So next time you hear a strange noise, remember it might just be nature playing tricks. Like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating stories.